Welcome to day 5 of 100 Days of Excel Challenge. Today we will cover sorting and filtering of data to organize and analyze the data easily. Let's get started. Sorting helps to arrange the data in a more meaningful manner. Let's sort this data set to make it more meaningful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select any cell in this name column and then press Alt plus D plus S. It should open a dialog box of sorting, and you can see the name, the column name. We have all the columns here: name, age, date of joining. We are going to do something with the name column. So here we can see the order of the column was Z to A. I'm going to change it to A to Z. Press OK and see we have changed the order from A to Z. Filters help you display only the data you need. Okay, here's how to filter any of this. So click anywhere in the table. I'll just zoom this a bit. Yeah, click anywhere in the table and then press Control plus Shift plus L. Okay. Yeah, see, we have got the filters here, or you can simply just select filters from here. So these are the filters individual to each column. Okay, I can change according to the column here, which is more easy. If I want to study about any of the columns in a deep manner, what I can do is I can simply just select, for example, let's go with department, and I'm clicking select all, and then I just want to select about the marketing. So select OK, and I've got the data which is about marketing here. There's a huge data set, you cannot be just clicking all or searching, so you simply just search something here and then go with it, right? Select all, and I'm only going to go with IT, like that. It eases your work. If you want to clear all filters, whatever filter you have applied, and you want to get rid of all of them, so what you do is Control and Shift and L. See, all the filters are gone. If you want to bring the filters again, you will click the press the buttons again, and you will find some arrows coming on the top of the column names. Let's try to sort out some more things and see how it works. I'm going to select this, and what was our shortcut? Alt plus D plus S. So here we have the salary, smallest to largest. Let's go with largest to smallest and see who has got the largest salary. Here's Alice, who is the HR department, has got the highest salary, followed by Susan in marketing, and Alice, another Alice in finance, and so on. That's how sorting and filtering helps us to analyze and organize the data. I mean, we have organized the names from A to Z, and also while using the filters we can analyze the data. For example, there were just now we saw that 85,000 was the highest salary of HR named Alice. So that's how we can analyze the data. So play around with filters and sorting to explore more options, because this helps a lot. Well, that's it for today. You now know that how to sort and filter the data. So keep practicing